Hello, everyone, welcome to my channel. What if one of the foods you trust the most every morning could quietly be harming your health without you even realizing it? Eggs are one of the most popular breakfast foods in the world. They are packed with protein, vitamins, and nutrients that many seniors rely on to stay strong and active. But here is something most people never talk about. It is not always the egg itself that causes problems. Sometimes it is the way you eat it that can turn a healthy food into something risky, especially after the age of 60. Many seniors eat eggs every single day, thinking they're doing something great for their body. And in many cases, they are absolutely right. Eggs can support muscles, brain function, and energy. But certain habits can quietly increase inflammation, affect heart health, upset digestion, and even make some health conditions worse. Today, we are talking about 5 dangerous ways seniors should never eat eggs and what you can do instead to enjoy them in a healthier and safer way. Some of these mistakes are incredibly common, and chances are many people watching are doing at least one of them right now. So make sure to stay until the end, because mistake number 5 surprises almost everyone. Let's begin with the first dangerous way seniors should avoid eating eggs. Eating eggs fried in too much oil or butter. Now imagine this. You wake up in the morning, hungry and ready for breakfast. You crack a few eggs into a frying pan swimming in butter or oil. It smells amazing and tastes delicious. But here is the hidden problem. When eggs are cooked in large amounts of unhealthy fats, especially processed oils or too much butter, they can quickly become heavier on the heart and harder on digestion. After the age of 60, metabolism naturally slows down. The body does not process heavy, greasy foods the same way it used to. Many seniors already struggle with cholesterol concerns, blood pressure, or circulation issues. Adding excess unhealthy fat to your eggs every day can slowly increase health risks without you noticing. This does not mean you have to stop enjoying fried eggs forever. The key is moderation and smarter cooking choices. Instead of deep frying, try lightly cooking eggs in a small amount of olive oil or avocado oil. Even better, try poached or boiled eggs a few times a week. They still taste great and are much easier on the body. A senior named Robert shared that he used to fry eggs in lots of butter every single morning. He often felt sluggish and heavy afterward, but never connected it to breakfast. Once he switched to lightly cooked eggs with vegetables, he noticed he had more energy and felt lighter during the day. Small changes may seem simple, but over time, they can make a huge difference. Now, let's move to dangerous mistake number 2. Eating raw or undercooked eggs. This is something many people never think about. Some seniors enjoy soft, runny eggs or even homemade drinks that contain raw eggs, believing they are more nutritious. But this habit can carry serious risks. As we age, the immune system naturally becomes weaker. The body does not fight infections as easily as before. Raw or undercooked eggs may contain harmful bacteria like salmonella, which can lead to food poisoning. For younger people, mild food poisoning may be uncomfortable but manageable. For seniors, it can become much more dangerous, causing dehydration, weakness, stomach issues, or even hospitalization. Symptoms may include nausea, stomach cramps, fever, and severe fatigue. And sometimes the effects can hit harder than expected. The safer option is simple. Make sure eggs are cooked properly. The yolk and white should both be fully cooked, especially if you are over 60 or dealing with health conditions. You do not have to overcook them until rubbery. You can still enjoy delicious scrambled eggs, omelets, or boiled eggs. Just make sure they are prepared safely. A lot of seniors assume because they have eaten runny eggs for years they are completely safe. But the body changes with age, and what worked at May 30th not work the same at 65 or 75. Now here comes dangerous mistake number 3, and this one is extremely common. Eating eggs with processed meats every day. Think about the classic breakfast plate. Eggs with bacon, sausage, or processed meat. It feels comforting and familiar. But eating this combination too often may quietly create health problems over time. The issue is not necessarily the eggs. The problem is what often comes with them. Processed meats are often loaded with sodium preservatives and unhealthy fats. Too much sodium can increase blood pressure and put extra stress on the heart. Excess processed meat has also been linked to inflammation and other long-term health concerns. Many seniors already deal with blood pressure issues, swelling, or cardiovascular concerns. Eating eggs every day alongside salty processed meats may make those problems harder to manage. Instead, try pairing eggs with healthier sides. Fresh vegetables, sliced avocado, oatmeal, whole grain toast, or fruit can create a much more balanced meal. For example, imagine starting your day with scrambled eggs, spinach, tomatoes, and whole grain toast instead of sausage and greasy meat. Your body receives protein, fiber, and nutrients without all the extra strain. One viewer once shared that after replacing bacon with vegetables at breakfast, her morning bloating improved and she felt more energized. Healthy food does not have to feel boring. Sometimes it is simply about making smarter combinations. Now, dangerous mistake number 4 may surprise a lot of people. Eating too many eggs without balance. Now, before anyone panics, let me be clear. Eggs are not bad. In fact, for many seniors, eggs are an excellent source of protein and important nutrients. But problems can happen when balance disappears. Some people hear eggs are healthy and suddenly start eating 4, 5, or 6 eggs every day without considering the rest of their diet. The truth is, everyone is different. Some seniors may tolerate eggs very well, while others, especially those with certain health concerns, may need moderation. Too much of anything, even healthy food, can sometimes create issues. If your meals become all eggs and little else, your body may miss out on important nutrients from vegetables, fruits, healthy fats, and fiber. Balance matters. For most seniors, eggs can absolutely be part of a healthy diet, but variety is important too. Mixing your meals helps support heart health, digestion, and overall wellness. One day you may enjoy eggs with vegetables. Another day, oatmeal with nuts and fruit. Another day, yogurt with seeds. Giving your body variety often works better than repeating the exact same thing every day. Always listen to your body, and if you have concerns about cholesterol, diabetes, or heart health, it can help to speak with your doctor about what amount works best for you. And now we have reached dangerous mistake number 5, and this one catches many people off guard. Eating eggs with too much salt. This sounds harmless, but it can become a hidden problem, especially for seniors. Many people automatically shake salt all over their eggs before even taking the first bite. Then they add ketchup, hot sauce, or other salty toppings, without realizing how quickly sodium adds up. Too much sodium may contribute to high blood pressure, water retention, and extra strain on the heart and kidneys. For seniors managing blood pressure or circulation issues, this becomes even more important. But here's the good news. You do not need lots of salt for eggs to taste delicious. Try using herbs and spices instead. Black pepper, paprika, garlic powder, parsley, turmeric, or a little fresh onion can add flavor naturally without overloading sodium. Many seniors are surprised when they realize food still tastes great with less salt after giving their taste buds time to adjust. Sometimes simple seasoning changes can support better health more than people expect. Now, here is something very important I want everyone to remember. Eggs themselves are not the enemy. In fact, they can be incredibly nutritious, especially for seniors trying to maintain muscle strength, energy, and brain health. Protein becomes even more important after 60 because muscle loss naturally increases with age. The real problem is often the habits surrounding how eggs are eaten. Too much grease, raw eggs, processed meats, lack of balance, and excess salt can quietly turn a healthy breakfast into something that works against your body instead of helping it. The good news is you do not have to give up eggs. You simply need to eat them smarter. Imagine enjoying eggs in ways that actually support your health. A veggie omelet with spinach and tomatoes. Boiled eggs with fresh salad. Scrambled eggs cooked lightly with herbs and healthy sides. Small adjustments can lead to big results over time. Health after 60 is not about perfection. It is about making choices that help you stay strong, independent, and full of energy for the years ahead. And remember, your body changes with age. Paying attention to small daily habits can sometimes matter more than dramatic changes. So tell me in the comments, how do you usually eat your eggs, and did any of these dangerous mistakes surprise you? If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our future health tips for seniors. Take care, stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video.